Okay, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into something really fundamental for cities, especially ones that get a lot of rain: water management. We're looking at New Westminster specifically.
That's right. And our insights today, they're coming largely from local pros in the field. Pacific Blue Mechanical, they handle complex plumbing and, importantly for us, concrete drainage solutions out there.
Right. So we're using their expertise, what they do, to figure out how really solid drainage systems work and, crucially, how they help prevent flooding in challenging spots.
Exactly. And our mission here is really to understand why tough, durable drainage isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely essential for a place like New Westminster, given its specific weather and geography.
Let's talk about that localization factor then. What makes New Westminster so unique in terms of drainage challenges?
Well, there are a couple of things. First, they get hit with some serious rainfall. But the bigger piece is probably its location, right next to the Fraser River.
Ah, the Fraser. Okay, so being near a major river like that, does that mean the ground is already sort of waterlogged, a high water table?
Precisely, a high water table. It means groundwater levels are naturally closer to the surface. So it's not just about rain falling down, it's also about water potentially pushing up, making it harder for water to drain away naturally.
Got it. So standard drainage might struggle.
It really can, and that's where specialized systems come in. Thinking about what Pacific Blue Mechanical offers, we're talking about concrete drainage.
Okay, so let's simplify that. For someone who's not an engineer, what does a concrete drainage system actually do? Like third grade level?
Okay, simple terms. It's basically strong pipes and channels, usually made of concrete, designed to move water away from your house, away from roads, away from businesses. Pacific Blue Mechanical, they install these, they fix them, they keep them working.
And the main goal is just
flood prevention, plain and simple, protecting buildings, properties from water damage.
Okay, so given those local issues, the river, the rain, maybe even freeze-thaw cycles, weakening things, why concrete? What makes it the go-to material according to the source?
Well, the big word is durability. Concrete is just tough. It can handle harsh weather, heavy loads from traffic above it, and it lasts a really long time.
Right, longevity is huge.
Yeah.
And that links to the second point they make, doesn't it? Low maintenance?
Exactly. You don't have to be constantly digging things up to fix it. For a city, that's massive. Less disruption, less cost over time.
Which brings us to the financial side. Because it lasts so long and needs fewer repairs, the overall cost effectiveness is better, right? Even if it costs more up front, maybe.
That's the argument, yeah. It's a smarter investment long term. And think about property value too. If your area has reliable drainage, less flood risk, well, that makes properties more valuable, more desirable.
Makes sense. Okay, so concrete is strong, low maintenance, cost effective. But are there newer ideas, like innovations happening in this space? The source mentioned a couple.
Yeah, it's not just about digging trenches anymore. Things are getting smarter. Pacific Blue Mechanical, like other forward-thinking companies, they're looking at advanced methods.
Okay, first one that caught my eye was permeable concrete. That sounds counterintuitive. Concrete that lets water through.
It does sound a bit weird, yeah. But instead of being a solid barrier, it's designed with tiny pores. Water can actually soak right through it, down into the ground beneath.
So it reduces runoff, eases the strain on the main pipes, and helps refill groundwater.
Exactly. It's like turning paved areas into partial sponges. Pretty neat, huh? Especially for helping manage those big downpours.
Okay, that's clever. And the second thing was about getting proactive. Smart drainage systems, using sensors.
Right. This is moving towards high-tech management. They embed sensors within the drainage network.
What are those sensors actually tracking? Water speed, blockages?
Things like flow rates, water levels in key spots, maybe pressure points. The system collects this data in real time.
So Pacific Blue Mechanical or the city, they could get an alert before something overflows. Like, hey, Section C looks like it's backing up.
That's the idea. It shifts maintenance from being reactive, fixing floods after they happen, to being predictive. You can target cleaning or repairs before there's a major problem, much more efficient.
That predictive ability must be crucial for a place like New Westminster, with the river right there. Knowing if the pipes are nearing capacity and the river is rising. That's powerful info.
It absolutely is. It allows for much more informed, real-time decision-making.
Okay, so that leads to a final thought for you, our listener, to chew on. We've talked about these smart sensors monitoring water flow, especially with the Fraser nearby.
So consider this. If these systems get really good at predicting, say, hours in advance that a section of pipe is about to fail or that the river's rise is becoming critical, how does that kind of verified real-time data change things?
Yeah, how does it change immediate emergency responses? And maybe even more importantly, how does it influence the city's big, long-term decisions about where to invest in upgrading infrastructure next? Something to think about.
Definitely food for thought.
And that wraps up our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us.